Hello, today we're going to quickly cover transitions in videos. So how do you go from one video clip to another video clip and kind of smooth it in? All right, let's start with a video. Let's go with a YouTube video. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva for their book marketing. If you are an author and would like to talk to other authors about Canva and have feedback on your designs, come join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. If you'd like some free stuff, sign up for the newsletter. Link is in the description again. And if you find these videos useful and you'd like to buy me a cup of tea, there is a donation link where you can buy me a cup of tea, and that would be lovely. Right, so let's start off with a video. Let's find a video. Let's go for person typing. Videos. Now, anything that has a little crown, you need Canva Pro. If you have Canva Free, let's have a look. Let's see what's available in free. You have a smaller selection, but there's still stuff. So let's go with this person's hands typing. We just need a video so I can play with it. If you would like to try Canva Pro for free for a month, there is a affiliate link in the description. And if you use that, I'd be really grateful. It won't cost you anything extra. It'll give me something. I'm not sure what, but okay. And let's select a second video as well, just so that we can see what we're talking about. And that goes into there. Okay, so now we've got two videos and we want to trim them down to wherever we want. So if you click on them and click playback, you can change the video speed or you can make it to play on repeat. And what we want to do with this is we want to crop it to about, just so that we're not here forever, let's make them both 5 seconds long. And that one as well, you can go to here and you can trim it. If you want to select which 5 seconds you want, you can go to trim, and there you go. It's 5 seconds and it's done. Weirdly, this one doesn't let you trim it, which is odd, but there you have it. Okay, so you've got one person typing and another person typing, and you want to transition between the two. So now, at the moment, if you play it, it transitions, just kind of skips from one to the other. Yeah. Hover between the two clips and you can get add transition. And dissolve is quite nice, but you could do color wipe, line wipe, where you go from one to the other. That's flow. One where it drops down. I quite like dissolve. So let's go for dissolve. And the dissolve takes 5 seconds. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. So one pair of hands typing away. And it dissolves into the other pair of hands typing away. Now, if you have audio associated with this clip, you will lose some of the audio. You can see this the 5 second overlap. In this 5 second overlap, you will lose some of the audio. So if you're going to do a dissolve, make sure you've got a little bit of quiet between the two gaps so that you don't lose any of your audio. The other thing you can do, which, let's get rid of this transition, undo or Control Z, is you can add a page in between and you can do this thing called a liquid transition, which I quite like because it's cool. So to do that, you go to Elements again, type in liquid ink transition or abstract liquid ink transition and videos, and you get all these weird things like that. Now these are usually all pro. Right? So let's I found one earlier. Let's get rid of this and see what was recently used. This one. So you can see I've been playing with it. Now you probably don't get the audio because the audio doesn't record very well, but I can hear it go plop. Okay, so this is my liquid transition. And it goes on for a while. So let's crop this down to about 2 seconds. And then we need it to be a liquid transition. Let's have a look. Let's play. Oh, let's play here. Right, and we want some text reveal in there. Go away. Okay, and for the text reveal, we need to add some text. And we'll write liquid transition, and for some reason it's in white, so let's select that and turn it to black, and maybe make it a little bit chunkier. Let's find a font. Bricolage grotesque. Okay, that works. And then I can check my spelling, and maybe make it bold. Okay. Now what should happen? Let's have a look, see if it works. Ah, there you go. We could play it back and turn the speed down a little bit so it goes a bit slower. There we go. And that's how you do a liquid transition. I don't know. I just like doing them. They're fun. As an alternative, if you don't want to have a funky transition in the middle, if you want to add a video and have your primary video as voiceover only, a good way to do it would be to just add it on top of your primary video and fade it in and out, and that would actually look quite good. I'll show you what I mean. Let me just delete this liquid transition, and let's get this one and stretch it back out again, just so that we have more space to play with it. Okay, so you've got 12 seconds of video there, and you've got 5 seconds of video here. Let's split it, and we're going to bring this in here. So that's 5 seconds long. So let's find a 5-second clip out of this. So down here, it tells you that this whole thing is 17 seconds long and that you are at second number 7. So you want 5 seconds. So second number 12, second 12, we've got 11, 12. Little snippets until we get to 13. Okay. So we split it there. So those two are 5.4. Undo. That'll do. All right. So we're going to take this, we're going to drag it and drop it over here. Is it going to let me? Detach video from background, that would help. And drag it over here. So now you've got a 5-second clip of this inside your other video, right? So let's do that. And this we can animate. And there's all sorts of funky ways you could animate it. You could brush it in, you could splodge in with ink, you could gradient, rise up, but let's go for something funky like brush. Okay? We need both on enter and on exit. And if you have Canva Pro, you can choose the style. But with Canva Basic, with Canva Free, it will just, you can just still add the animation. Right, let's see what this looks like. Got one video, and then it transitions to the other one, and then it transitions back. And if you do it like that, then your audio doesn't get messed up. If you found this video useful, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.